Today's Clear Impact Biohack focuses on the simple use of electricity. My name's Carl, and I'm here with Jason Masick, our building biology specialist. Specialist, can I call you that?
Yeah, consultant, specialist, all good.
Sounds good. We're Clear Impact Biohacking for beginners. We help you calm your mind, increase your cognitive and physical energy, and live life with more vitality. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe now for more easy to implement, impactful biohacks. So, electricity, what are we talking about?
We're going to talk about voltage in the air. So when electricity is anywhere at any time, whether it's turned on or not, there's voltage happening, and it's voltage in the air.
So you mean an extension cord, a plug-in on the wall?
Power bars, transformers, things to charge your battery operated tech with.
So they're actually putting electricity out into the air.
Exactly. So it's not shielded, it's just coming into the air, and we measure it in volts per meters.
And how does that impact us?
Well, our skin, we're electrical beings, our skin acts like an antenna, and we pick it up, makes us fatigued, gives us a little anxiety, affects our biology.
Great, okay, so where do we commonly see that impacting us, in the workplace or at home?
Yeah, the biggest issue in the office and at home or at work is your desk environment. So there's lots of wires going around everywhere. What we want to try and do is we want to get those wires to the back of the desk, going around the sides and away from your legs, because what you might not be noticing is when you're sitting, there's a big power bar right by your feet with all the transformers and everything plugged in there. We want to get that away from you, get a few feet away. More distance, the better.
Right, so we've got shoes on though, and socks and clothes. Does that matter?
No effect, no.
Oh, it really doesn't?
No, you can mitigate it. There's shielding materials that you can use.
Right.
You can ground yourself and that type of thing, but the easiest thing is distance.
Right. So our biohack this day is to run our cables down the top of our desk, down the sides,
Yes.
and have all of our electrical stuff away from our feet and our legs under the desk.
That's correct.
Okay, easy challenge for you this week, folks. Just go and look at your desk environment, look at your desk at home, your desk at work, and make sure your feet and legs aren't near any cables.
Great. Yeah.
Awesome. So share with us in the comment section below any questions you have or comments about this practice. And we love learning from you from the community. So tell us what you do to decrease your exposure to simple electricity. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe now for more impactful and easy to implement biohacks. And if you know someone that could benefit from our videos, share our channel with them. We're Clear Impact. We help you calm your mind, increase your cognitive and physical energy, and
Live with more vitality.
awesome.